Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to apply for Sam's Club Business Credit Card online. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, on your PC, laptop or even mobile device, open up any web browser and head on over to Google. Then once you're inside Google, type in Sam's Club Business Credit Card. And then from here, ignore all these sponsored results. We need to find the correct website. So Sam's Club here, samsclub.com credit. That's the one you want to click onto. So go ahead and click into that. And then give that a few moments to load. And then as you can see here, here's the Sam's Club Business Credit Card. And you can get a $30 statement credit when you open a new account and make $30 in Sam Club purchases within 30 days. Click apply now. It gives you a bit more information here. Here how it works. 2% for Plus members, 3% of Sam Club MasterCard. So yeah, go ahead and click on apply now. This will open up a new web page where you need to put in your membership number, first name and last name. Once you've done that, click on to next. And then they're going to present you with an application form that you need to fill out. And make sure you fill out that form with all your correct information. And then after that, you should be able to get your Sam's Club Business Credit Card. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.